Okay, y'all, our next spring cleaning project is not inside, it's outside. We're going to try to get this cleaned out. It's a mess, but I think we can do it. Whatever kind of weed that is, it does come up real easy, most of it. So, you can tell, under all that, I do have some hostels. And over here too.
And a kitty cat. And a kitty cat.
Here's what he had to go get. See how this one's so wore out? Not much of that one left. So he's going to put this new one on there. Now, if y'all didn't know already, if y'all can't tell, he loves D-wall. I think everything he got is D-wall. Nope, he's got a Stanley. I found me a seat to sit in while he's working. Makes a good spot to sit, even though I don't know how to run it. No keys in it. We're lucky about that. But I bet I could drive it. We've already started having the daffodils bloom. I need to pick me some because we're fixing to cut grass. Now I'm going to be doing a full video on this of how he built our coops. He built me one, Devin and the girls one, and Haley one. They've already got theirs. Mine's the last one to get finished. I think these girls are gonna love their new house. We'll let them eat all those clovers down. They're gonna love that. And then I'm gonna put some shavings in here. Let's go in and I'm gonna show you how he's got the egg boxes. Right here he's built them a perch to sit on. And over here we have 5 milk crates cut out like a V in the front for them to lay their eggs. And today he's finishing up the tin on the roof. So we're gonna get them moved hopefully this afternoon. They're gonna love them clovers. It's so shiny I can't even tell if I've got you in the video. She's fixing to get a new house.
Say hey, girl.
Oh, your new house. What do y'all think? See, I've already done a little bit of weeding, but there's a lot more to do. I can't wait to see how those look this year. And even these are starting to try to bloom. Looking a little better.